Son, Shiny Bear.
Look at Dad.
Shiny, give me keys.
Look at Dad.
Size Bear.
Look at Dad.
Hi, Shiny Bear. Hi. Shiny Bear, look at that.
Shiny, how come you're not looking at Dad? Look.
Hi.
Dad's a good boy.
Hi.
He's a good boy.
Good boy, sir.
Look. How come you don't like that, son? Shiny. Got the tail in there. Shiny. Why don't you come off now? Hey, do you want to tell the audience why you have a red mouth? Because you stole an ornament apple from the Christmas tree. Didn't you? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy?
Hi, Shiny.
Who's a good boy?
Shiny's a good boy.
Good boy. Oh, Kramer came to tell me.